I don't know what happened to cause it. There's metal sticking out of this thing. Don't know if you can see it. There. Oh, no. Hello YouTube, I'm Rhapsody. Intro's ruined. Today I cook. Feel free to follow along. First thing you need is a kettle of water. If you don't know what a kettle is, look it up. Next you need a jug that looks like it's been pissed in. I've tried several times to get those stains out. It's not possible. Oriental food needs oriental bowl from the land of Chinaland. The place where all the China comes from. I don't know where it is. This is a strainer. Use one of these. It strains the noodle juice. Take your noodle brick. Take your jug. Done. It usually helps if you open it first. More noodle brick. More noodle brick. More noodle brick. Maximum brick. This came with curry powder, so I use my curry tower. Feel free to add a small amount of salt. Feel free to use some pepper as well. When it looks like a mound of cat barf that has that pepper poured over it, you can use your hot water inside the kettle. Make sure it is hot water. If it's not hot water, then you must heat the kettle again, making sure there's actually water in it. Don't boil a kettle without water in it. That's probably going to void the warranty. Place the Asian food in your Asian microwave. Cook. It is essential that you do not forget the fork. If you forget the fork, your meal has failed. You must stir every 2 minutes or you have failed. This is one of the reasons why you need this precious fork. Future me, if you have not made the transition, I swear to God, I'll fucking kick myself in the... I have stirred. Put your noodles back. Carefully. Then nuke them. Well, the weather says it's raining, so let me check. Well, if there were any clouds in the sky, I wouldn't know because I can't see them. All these flies. You fucking suck and I wish you were dead. 2 minutes. Fork. Noodle. Jug. Noodle. Fork. Stir. Are you hungry yet? Because I am. Noodle in. Carefully. Close nuke. 1 minute and 15, 14, 13, 12. And this is enough for 9, 8. For me to contemplate like 5, 4. I honestly don't know where I'm going wrong. Is this channel even worth maintaining? 52, 51. 3, 2, 1. Food. Give me my food. Do not miss this. If you miss, your food goes down the drain and you don't get to eat. And if you don't eat, you will starve to death. This is going to take a while. With the noodles drained, you can get your bowl and put them in. Do not miss or it will go down to the floor or into the drain. If it happens, you cannot eat and you need food to live. Get your fork. There's your dinner. Feck off.